back to the last night.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the LIESE Bubble Color Mint Ash version. It's been a while now, it's been a few months, and my roots have grown out. I'm actually okay with the color, but because when I tie it up, I see a lot of black, so I don't really like that. So in the box we have the kit, the gloves and the instructions manual. We have the nozzle for you to pump it out, solution, which is the cream developer, the color that you chose. Lastly, the conditioner. I really like the conditioner because it leaves my hair really soft, so that's all in the box. So if you'd like to find out how my hair will turn out, please keep watching.
Good time for our thoughts to rise. Now it's going into overdrive. Still no message past my bedtime. I am trying not to analyze. On my phone, waiting on. You're not coming by, don't let me down.
So let's start. So what I do is I separated my hair into two parts. You can do it in 4 parts if you want to, but I find it troublesome. I'll just do it however I do it normally. So what you do is just get some of the foam. Normally I start from the bottom because I feel that it's really hard to get colors at the bottom part. This is just what I do. So now I'm going to do the other side of my hair.
Let me down. Don't let me fall. Just stay around.
Just give a little bit of massage so that you know it is well coated with the bubble color. Okay, as you can see, the bottom part is still a little bit dark, so I am going to cover them. So now I'm done, and I will come back to you in a short while after washing my hair. It's going to be maybe a 30-minute wait while the color develops, and I will come back to you in a short while. I'm back after a shower and I air dried my hair. So this is what it looks like. The roots, it has a green tint to my hair color now. I think I'm gonna stick to this color for a while. So that's it for this video today. I hope you enjoy what I just shared with you. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you soon again.
Don't
Bye.
let me down. Don't let me fall. Just stay around. Don't want us falling back to that. You're stepping out. I see you go. I'm crying out, but you're too far, so you don't hear it.